bottle magically defies gravity. They magically switch places. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 5 impossible magic tricks that you can do. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. This first one's a fun magic prank that's sure to give everyone a shocking but harmless surprise. Check it out. Okay guys, this is a really cool one. This is Sandy. This is our producer Eric's dog. She's super sweet and she's gonna help me out with this trick. So I have a really unique ability to make dogs bark simply using the power of my mind. I don't say anything, I don't do anything, and she will just bark. I can do this with any dog. It's really cool and I'll teach you how to do it too. So check this out. Sandy, you ready? All right, so check this out. I can do this with any dog and I'll teach you how at the end of the video. Okay, check this out. I have a bottle of blue liquid here. It's a magic bottle. So check it out. It's on my little glass tray here. Gotta be careful so it doesn't spill, but watch, I can kind of like put the bottle under a spell. 1, 2, 3. Now look, if I turn it upside down, the bottle should fall, but it doesn't. Look, you can keep going. And it magically suspends and defies gravity. And look, the water doesn't fall out of the bottle either. It's completely defying gravity. You can turn it back upright. No water spills whatsoever. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to teach you the secret. Hey, Ava, I have a really cool trick to show you with this dollar bill. See? Check that out. Make sure it's normal. So I also have normal. Okay. I also have this right here. It's called a converter tube. You can see it's empty. Verify for everybody at home that there's nothing inside there.
There's nothing inside.
Empty, okay. Also have a little lid to it. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the bill, I'm gonna hold it up like this, and I'm gonna roll it up, just like this, see? Okay. So what we're gonna do with this, take it and put it down inside the converter tube. So you can see it go right down inside, just like that. Now we're gonna take the lid, and the lid's gonna go right on top. You can see, just there. Now, all you have to do is shake it up a little bit. Have you ever heard people refer to money as liquid? Like your liquid assets? Now what that means is cash. But the converter tube actually does something really cool, so check this out. If you look, if you remove the cap, actually turns the money into liquid. Crazy? But look, here's the craziest thing. If you take the liquid, you can actually change it back into money. See, it's just juice right there, a little green juice. Watch, you just take it and dump it into your fist like this. You kind of gotta rub it a little bit, squeeze, and look. Turns back into liquid money. If you squeeze it enough, it'll turn into liquid. You gotta use the converter too. So you wanna learn how it's done?
Yes.
Alright, I'll teach you. This is the most amazing sponge ball trick ever. So I have one red sponge ball here and one yellow sponge ball here. So the yellow sponge ball goes in this hand, red sponge ball in this hand. Make sure you remember yellow here, red here. Now look, I'm gonna take the yellow one in this hand, red one in this hand, and I'm just going to squeeze them. look. The hands stay completely separate. I'm just going to squeeze. Now look. They magically switch places. The red is now here and the yellow now here. Stay tuned for the end of the video to learn the secret. All right, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal the secrets. All of these tricks are extremely simple, and I'll teach you how they're done right now. Okay, here is the secret to the magic mystery box prank. There is a hidden card fountain inside the box. Check this out. This is called a card fountain. So here's how it works. There's a little electronic motor right here with a wheel on it. You've got a deck of cards in here, and this goes hidden down inside the box. Now I've got a little remote control here that when I press the button, makes the wheel spin and ejects the cards upwards. So you hide this down inside a box, wait for somebody to come along and open the lid, and then on cue, a fountain of cards will spray out of the box and give them a hilarious surprise. Okay, here is the secret of how to make a dog bark on command. This is not actually a mind trick. It utilizes a very special tool that's actually used for dog training. This is actually a trick that I invented just for this video. This is a dog whistle. You blow into this side of it and it works just like a regular whistle, but the difference is only dogs can hear it. The tone is so high pitched that humans cannot hear it. So you're just gonna have someone helping you, someone hiding close by with the dog whistle, and then on cue when you go to do the mind power trick, they're going to blow the whistle and make the dog bark. This doesn't hurt the dog in any way. It just whistles at a frequency that they tend to react to. It's almost like the bark of another dog. Here is the secret to the gravity defying bottle trick. Now the method to holding the bottle in place is right here on the bottom. You can see there's a ring right here. What it is this right here. It's called Quake hold. This is a special type of putty. It's kind of like sticky tack. You take a little bit of this stuff and you're just gonna put it on the bottom of whatever you want to stick in place, and now you can tilt it, you can turn it upside down. It will defy gravity. Super cool. Museums use this same putty to keep things in place when they're on display so they don't fall over. You can easily remove the putty and remove the object. It doesn't damage it in any way. Now for the bottle, not only did we have it stuck in place with the putty, but we also have a little bit of saran wrap right over the lip of it with a tiny rubber band. The same rubber bands we use for the bite out quarter. You can actually get a pack of those on EvanEraTV.com. You can get 25 of these tiny little rubber bands, and then you can just take some plastic wrap at home, wrap it around the top of the bottle. Now it really does create a convincing illusion that the bottle is full of liquid and that it defies gravity. Try it out at home. Okay, here is the secret to the magic liquid money trick. As you might have guessed, the magic tube contains the secret. So it has this little compartment right here that loads in like this, and with it loaded inside, it looks completely normal. You're going to fill the little tube with some water, and I added a little bit of green food coloring to the water so it looks like the money is just turned into liquid. Now once you have it filled with the liquid, you're going to load the secret chamber back in just like this, and now you can show the tube as being completely empty. So we can then take $1 from someone, roll it up, and insert it down inside the tube just like this, and now the lid really does all the work for you. You're going to place the lid right on top, and it's going to kind of lock in place just like that. Now all you have to do is lift off, and you can see that secret chamber with the $1 inside just gets locked into the lid just like this. Now from the side, you can obviously see how this works, but the key is to keep the lid pointed towards the audience. So you're going to remove it like this and kind of palm it into your hand with these fingers covering the secret chamber. So we're at full speed, it looks like you just removed the lid. And kind of drop it to your side, show the container, then you're going to take a cup, or you can just dump it onto the ground or into the palm of your hand, and you're just going to dump out the green liquid inside. Say, look, the money is actually liquefied. Now I know why they call it liquid cash. Be sure to stay tuned for the very end of the video to enter the giveaway and win the magic money tube. Okay, here is the explanation of the magic sponge ball switch. So the real trick to this is these are not normal sponge balls. They look like a normal red and yellow sponge ball, but if you turn them around, you can see the secret is revealed on the back. You can see on the red one, from the front it looks totally normal, but from the back you can totally tell that if you press on it, it inverts, and now it looks like a yellow one. Same thing with the yellow one over here. You just press it in and it inverts and now looks like a red one. So the handling of the trick is very simple. You present them like this, you then take them into each one of your hands, concealing them, and inside your hands, this is basically what you're gonna do. You're just gonna press your thumbs into the back, invert them, and then show them to the audience, and they've magically switched. You could also just use one of them for a presentation of turning a yellow sponge ball into a red one. You could say, watch, I'm gonna take this and stuff it down inside my fist. Kind of looks like you're doing a thumb tip routine, and you say, look, I'm just gonna take it and it magically turns red. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving you away to one lucky comment. All right, guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it as well. Head over to EvanEraTV.com. You can get magic sponge balls, bicycle brand playing cards, thumb tips, and a lot of other really cool magic tricks, all available at EvanEraTV.com. You can also get Laugh at Life merch there. Head over to the link in the description, EvanEraTV.com. We're gonna do another giveaway. I'm giving away the dog whistle. I'm giving away a package of Quake holes. I'm giving away a magic card fountain, the magic sponge ball switch trick, and the magic liquid money tube. All of these items are up for grabs in the giveaway. All you have to do to win is leave a comment in the comment section down below. Today's keyword is magic. I'll be going through the comment section, reading all of your comments, and I'll be picking 5 winners and sending out the prizes to you. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. If you won that giveaway drawing, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thanks for watching the show. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you see all of our videos. We've done almost 300 episodes of How To Magic, so be sure to check out the playlist linked up here. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.